Happy New Year, guys. I hope that you and your household are all doing well. Where I am, here in Zone 8B, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. The temperature, if it's not 80, it's close to it. It feels like it. And it's just so warm for January 1st. Yes, it is. But I've been walking around and looking at my trees, and guys, I know certain trees have to have so many cold hours to fruit. I just hope mine got enough because they're already trying to bloom. Some of my peach trees are trying to bloom. I looked at my blackberry trying to bloom, my blueberry trying to bloom. I just hope that this weather does not mess me up for this year. But anyway, guys, my little bok choy, it is just really growing. And let me show you my bok. Guys, this is my bok choy. And the first picking I did was about 2 weeks ago, I think it was. I gave it some to my sister. But since then, it's just grown back. And it's growing a little faster than I can eat it. And even my little tiny plants over here are growing fast. So I wanted to know if I could freeze this bok choy. So I Googled that request, and I got an answer, and it says yes, you can freeze bok choy. So I'm going to try it today. It said to, well, you could do it whole. If you do it whole, they said to wash it and put it in the whole thing into a salad spinner to spin all the water off. But the directions for the cut up bok choy was, well, it said not to wash it, but just, well, before you cut it up, to just take a damp paper towel and kind of wash it off. That didn't sound too good to me. So I'm not going to follow that. What I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to just take each leaf separately and rinse it off well, and then lay it on a towel to dry. So that is the direction that I am going to go. And I'm going to maybe let it sit there for maybe, well, put it in the freezer and let it stay there for maybe 2 or 3 weeks before I try it to see how it's doing before I do any more. Maybe by that time it will have regrown, and I can see whether or not it's worthwhile to try to freeze it. But I'm going to try it. I'm going to try freezing some and see how it does. And then I'll try it and maybe a stir fry, a soup, and I'll tell you how it comes out. I said I'm going to tell you. If it comes out badly, I don't know if I'm going to say anything about it. But anyway, guys, that's what I'm getting ready to do. I'm going to get this bok choy. Yep. So, continue to have a beautiful day today.